Hello, I am here at 54 Ocean Breeze on Hilton Head. Wanted to show you the view as soon as you walk in. My back is up against the front door. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo on Hilton Head Island. Plenty of parking here and also on the side of the building. Very bright and coastal themed. Lots of great rentals. I'll take you in here. I love how it opens up into the great room. And you've got the back deck there and a half bath down here. And a good sized pantry or a good place to have extra supplies and beach towels and such. Another smart move was putting this closet under the stairs. They've got dog gear and baby gear, but that's really helpful to have right here. And the couch is a pull-out bed as well. And they keep sheets in that pantry area for it. And I like how it has a nice dedicated private outdoor space and the storage there for beach gear. And the half bath, pretty flooring throughout, all hard surface down here, and then upstairs the bedrooms are carpeted. So we'll head upstairs. We've got the laundry right at the top of the stairwell. And we'll head back to the front of the condo, but here is the guest bedroom. There's attic access here. And there's a nice owner's closet in the master as well, where they keep some of their personal items. Good size closet. They keep a pack and play in there. Got a nice closet here too, and a king conversion kit so they can push the twins together and make them into a nice king size bed as well. And they've named this Siesta. Lots of repeat guests from year to year. And hopefully this helps you have a good idea of the condo. And I am always happy to answer any questions, or we can get on a FaceTime so that you can see it that way as well. It's a very quick walk over to the beach, a highly desirable area, and really easy to get over to Coligny too. Hope this helps. Have a great day.